In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, then hit more at the bottom right one. Select audio and to add an audio file, hit allow. Tap on the chosen one and tap on this check mark at the top right corner. If you want to add a video one, use the same plus and this time select your video from here by clicking on it. Or you can also tap on gallery section and tap on it over here. Then hit done. If you want to record your video and add it, click on the same plus. Tap on camera at the bottom left corner. Switch to video by tapping on this video camera. Record it. Finish it. And click on this check mark at the top right corner to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!